Chapter number 15, Lambda. So Python provides this Lambda functions. So a Lambda function is a small anonymous function. A Lambda function can take any number of arguments but can only have one expression. And the syntax is the word lambda followed by arguments, semicolon, and then expression. The pros of lambda is it's good for simple logical operations that are easy to understand. This makes the code more readable too, and good when you want a function that you will use just one time. The cons or drawback is they can only perform one expression. It's not possible to have multiple independent operation in one lambda function. And the second one is bad for operation that would span more than one line in a normal def function. Let's have a look at the example and it should get more clearer. So this is my example where I'm trying to calculate an area of a circle, and I'm using lambda. Yeah. So lambda, I personally would prefer a proper def function rather than lambda, but just for understanding lambda and try and in case you encounter anyone who has written lambda and you need to understand it, it's always good to know what Python has provided, and also good from certification point of view or interview point of view. So what how do we use lambda to calculate area of circle? So first of all, I've defined a function called area of circle, and I'm returning a lambda function. So what does this do is here is my argument and expression. So argument is pi and expression is pi r square, which is area of a circle. Yeah, pi r square. Uh, in next line of code, I've got radius. So I've just got an input. So I'm asking user to input a radius. Uh, so user will input the radius and then I'm converting it to float. Now here I haven't put any code to check if radius is in integer format or float format. Or if it is string, just give an error. Non-numeric number, give an error. I've not done all that. I You can do that as part of an exercise. Now in line number 9, I'm saying calculate the area of circle. Now area of circle, so I'm calling this function and I'm passing a radius which I got as an input in line number 8, converting into a float using typecasting. Um, and then I am getting a lambda function. And in the print statement, here I am calling the lambda function and I'm passing the value of pi. So at this point, at line number 11, what will happen is it will run this piece of code. So what it will do is pi r square, it will get calculated at this point of time, line number 11, and it will print the area of circle. So let's execute this. City sake, yep. So area of circle is 314. Two decimals, which is good. I would always like to keep a space here. And there you go. So let's run it again one more time with a different value and 5. Enter. So yeah, the area of a circle for a given radius is 78.5. So there you go. That's lambda in a nutshell for you. A very simple and basic example which I've shown you. Please go through it, and it is an interesting feature provided by Python, but not my favorite. Thank you. I have provided the links in the description below for the Python and PyCharm download. I have also recommended 3 Python books to enhance your knowledge. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.